First one, convert 1100. If I write base 2 means it is nothing but binary. You should not tell this one as 1100. 1100 means it is base 10. Now when I write base 2 means it is 1100 into decimal. Now into decimal 110. Now to get the decimal, from decimal to binary conversion, how we are doing? We are dividing by 2. Now here we need to multiply by 2. Here we need to multiply by 2. Like this. How many digits are there? 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. This is called the least significant bit, LSB. This is called LSB. This is called MSB. This is least significant bit. This is the most significant bit. Most significant bit. This is the least significant bit. Now multiply this least significant bit by 2 power 0. Multiply the next digit by 2 power 1. Multiply this digit by 2 power 2. Multiply this digit by 2 power 3. 2 power 3. Add all these numbers. Then add all these numbers. Now start from the LSB first. You have to start from the LSB first. So first what I have written? I have written the digits 1100. 1100. Now the least significant bit is multiplied by 2 power 0. Next digit is multiplied by 2 power 1. Next digit is multiplied by 2 power 2. Next digit is multiplied by 2 power 3. Now add all these numbers, plus, plus, plus. Now, what is 1 into 2 power 3? 8. Plus, what is 1 into 2 power 2? 4. What is 2 power 1? 2. What is 2 power 0? What is 2 power 0?
1.
Any number to the power of 0 is 1. Now, 1 into 8 is 8. 1 into 4 is 4. 0 into anything is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0. So this is the decimal value. Decimal value. So 1100 is nothing but 12 is binary. Second example. Convert 11100. No, 1 second. 10 10010 binary into decimal. Binary into decimal. So first you have to write this digits 1 0 0 1 0. This is called the least significant bit. We have to start from here. This is called the most significant bit. So we will start from here. Multiply this by 2 power 0. Multiply this by 2 power 1. Multiply this by 2 power 2. Multiply this by 2 power 3. Multiply this by 2 power 4. 2 power 4. Now add all these numbers. Now add 2 power 4, 16. 1 into 16 plus 0 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. 0 into 1. Now 1 into 16 is 16. plus 0 into anything is 0, plus 0 into anything is 0, plus 1 into 2 is 2, plus 0 into anything is 0. Now 16 plus 2, 16 plus 2 is 18. This is the decimal value. So today we shall discuss about how we convert the binary number into a decimal number. Decimal number. Write algorithm and flowchart to convert binary number into decimal number. Now we already know how to convert the binary number into decimal number. For example, 1110. If this is a binary number, then what is the decimal value? 1110 multiplied by 2 power 0 multiplied by 2 power 1 multiplied by 2 power 2 multiplied by 2 power 3. Now add all these numbers. Now what is 2 power 3? 8. What is 2 power 2? 4. What is 2 power 1? 2. 0 into anything is 0. So 8 plus 4 plus 2? 14. 8 plus 4 plus 2 is 14. This is how we convert manually the binary number into a decimal number. Now we shall see the algorithm. Algorithm. What is the first step? First step will always be start. First step will always be start. Now read the binary number. Read the binary number. Third one. What is the starting value of the decimal number? Starting value of the decimal number is 0. Starting value of the decimal number is 0. Now, initially I value is 0. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. So, I starts from 0. I starts from 0. Next. Now find the remainder. Remainder is equal to decimal modulus binary modulus 10. Remainder is equal to binary modulus 10. You will get the remainder. Now find the decimal value. Decimal is equal to decimal plus power of 2 comma I into remainder. Now, what is the next step? Next step is you will divide the binary number. You delete the last digit. Binary is equal to binary by 10. Binary is equal to binary by 10. I is equal to I plus 1. Now we need to do 2 power 1. That's why I is equal to I plus 1. Initially I is 0. Now I will become 1. Now check the condition. If binary not equal to 0, then repeat steps. 5 to 9. Repeat steps from 5 to 9. When the binary value will become 0, then print the decimal result. Print decimal. What is the last step? Last step will always be stop. Now, I will trace the algorithm with an example. So, what are the inputs? One is binary, another is remainder, I and decimal value. Now, binary 1110. 1110. You need to convert 1110 into decimal. Now, what is the initial value of I? Initial value of I is 0. What is the initial value of a decimal number? Initial value of decimal number is 0. Now, find the remainder. 1110. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0, 0. Now, decimal is equal to decimal is equal to decimal plus 2 power I, 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. So, the decimal value will be 0. Next, divide the binary number. We have divide the binary number by 10. So, remaining value will be 111. I is equal to I plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now, binary. What is the binary value? 111. It is not equal to 0. Then repeat this step. Binary is remainder is equal to binary by 10. Binary modulus 10. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Now calculate. Decimal is equal to decimal plus 2 power I. What is 2 power 1? 2 power 1 is 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 0. So the decimal value will change to 2. Decimal value will change to 2. Now divide the binary number. When you divide the binary number, you will get 1, 1. I is equal to I plus 1. I is equal to I plus 1. I will become 2. Binary is equal to, binary not equal to 0, 1, 1, yes. 1, 1 is not equal to 0. Then repeat step. So find the remainder. So what is the remainder? 1, 1 modulus 10. Remainder is 1. Now use this formula. Decimal is equal to decimal plus 2 power I. 2 power 2. What is 2 power 2? 4. 4 into 1, 4. 4. 2 plus 4, 6. So decimal value will change to 6. Binary is equal to binary by 10. Binary by 10. 1. Now increment the value of I. I is equal to I plus 1. Now 1 is not equal to 0. 1 is not equal to 0. Repeat step 5. So remainder. What is the remainder? Remainder 1 modulus 10 is 1. Now again use this formula. Decimal is equal to decimal plus 2 power I. 2 power 3 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. 6 plus 8, 14. 6 plus 8, 14. Now binary is equal to binary divided by 10. Now binary has become 0. I is equal to I plus 1. I value is 4. Is binary not equal to 0? Binary not equal to 0. False. False means come outside. Print decimal value. So what is the decimal value? Decimal value is 14. Then stop. Then stop. So what is the binary 1110 is equal to 1 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 0. So 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 1 is 2, 0 into anything is 0. So this is 14. This is manual calculation. This is the algorithm tracing. Algorithm tracing. So both are same. Then we say that our algorithm works for any binary value, converts into decimal value. Decimal value. Now we shall see the flow chart. Now flow chart to convert given binary number into decimal number. Now first step will always be start. Start. Next, read the binary number. Read binary number. So what is the initial value of decimal? Decimal is equal to 0. Decimal is equal to 0. What is the initial value of I? I will be 0. I will be 0. Now find the remainder. Remainder is equal to binary modulus 10. Binary modulus 10. Now calculate the decimal value. Decimal is equal to decimal plus power of 2 comma I into remainder into, now divide binary value by 10. Binary is equal to binary by 10. Now increment I value. What is I value? I is equal to I plus 1. I is equal to I plus 1. Now we have to repeat this process. Find the remainder. Decimal binary divided by 10. I is equal to I plus 1 until binary is not equal to 0. If binary not equal to 0, then find the remainder again. Yes. No means print. Print decimal value. Print decimal. What is the last step? Last step will always be stop. Stop. Last step will always be stop. Now we can create with an example. So binary remainder I and decimal value. Decimal value. Now we shall take 10101. 10101 binary number. Now, what is the initial value of decimal? Initial value of decimal is 0. What is the initial value of I? Initial value of I is 0. Now find the remainder. The remainder is equal to binary modulus 10. So remainder is 1. 1. Now this step. So 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. 1 into 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Now decimal value will become 1. Let's divide this binary value by 10. So now we have got 1010. I is equal to I plus 1. 0 plus 1, 1. So binary is not equal to 0. Then repeat these steps. So now remainder is equal to binary modulus 10. So remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Now 2 power I. 2 power 1 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. So decimal plus 0 is 0. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. Binary is equal to binary by 10. Now binary value is 101. I is equal to I plus 1. I will become 2. Now binary is not 0. Not 0 means find the remainder. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Now what is 2 power 2? 2 power 2 is 4. 4 into 1, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. Next binary is equal to binary by 10. I is equal to I plus 1. I has become 3. Now 10 is not 0. Then find the remainder. Remainder is 0. Then 2 power I. 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 8. 8 into 0 is 0. So 5 plus 0 is 5. So decimal value will be 5. Now divide the binary number. Binary is equal to binary by 10. 1. 1 is 1. I is equal to I plus 1. I is 4. Now binary 1 is not equal to 0. 1 is not equal to 0. Now repeat these steps. Remainder is equal to 1. Binary modulus 1 modulus 10 is 1. Now calculate the decimal value. 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 into 1 is 16. 5 plus 16, 21. So decimal value will change to 21. Now divide this binary number by 10. So we'll get 0. I is equal to I plus 1. I value is become 5. Now binary, is binary not equal to 0? It is equal to 0. False. False means print decimal value. So what is the decimal value we have got? We have got 21. We'll get the 21 value with the manual calculation. 10101. So 1 into 2 power 4 plus 0 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. Now, what is 2 power 4? 16. What is 2 power 3? 8 into 0 is 0. Plus 2 power 2 is 4. 0 into anything is 0. 1 into 2 power 0 is 1. So 16 plus 4 plus 1, 21. So manual calculation is also 21. So algorithm flowchart tracing is also 21. Are same. Then we say that our algorithm work converts any given binary number into decimal number.